In this video, I'll show you how to fix wireless adapter missing in Windows 10. First method is to re-enable the network adapter. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Then expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable Device. Wait for a few seconds, then right-click again to select Enable Device and restart your computer to ensure that changes take effect. The second method is to run Network Troubleshoot. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connections and then run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will diagnose and attempt to fix any network issues. The third method is to enable network services. Press the Windows plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. Locate and ensure the following services are set to automatic and are running: WWAN autoconfig, WLAN autoconfig, network connections, network list service, network location awareness, and DHCP client. And restart your computer when you're done. The fourth method is to fix network socket API errors. Search for command prompt in the Start menu and right-click on it to start it as an administrator. Enter the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. I'm gonna let you see what are the commands are. And when you're done, restart your computer to apply the changes. If none help, this last method is to do a network reset. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and then Status. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now and confirm the action, and your computer will restart and your network settings will be reset to default. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.